Okay, good morning, my dear students. Today, let us begin the exercise 1.2. Since from 1 week we are solving the exercise 1.2. Yesterday, sixth problem, that minus 150. I made mistake in that case. That is a2 minus a1 equals to 8 minus 15. That means minus 3. We should have to get that answer. When teacher loses concentration, that happens. But don't worry, that will not repeat often. Seldom this type happens. Okay, now that a2 minus a1 is the a1 8 minus 15, that should be minus 3. So correct that one. Comment everything. See, comment everything, but that should be healthy. Okay, if you have any difficulties, you can call me. And also whatever you have facing any difficulty related to mathematics, you can approach me anytime. Okay, now let us begin the next one, that is 8th. See, that reads like this. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12, and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. Find the 29th term. We have to find the 29th term. Before that, let us write what they have given. An AP consists of 50 terms. That last term is given 50 terms. That is, third term is 12. A3 equals to 12. See, we have to write the meaning of A3. A3 means A plus 2D equals to 12. A plus 2D equals to 12. I told you how we will get A plus 2D. So, we have to place 3 in place of n in the formula. An equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. We will get the simplified result as A plus 2D equals to 12. This one is the first equation. Then last term is 50 terms. Last term is A50. 50 terms of which, and the last term is 106. A50 equals to 106. Then A50, A plus 49D equals to 106. Second one. Solving first and second. Okay, A plus 2D equals to 12. A plus 49D equals to 106. Then we have to subtract by subtracting. Plus A minus A gets cancelled. So, minus 49, that is 47D, equals to minus 100, that is 12, 94. Minus 49D equals to minus 94. Then, same signs are there, we have to leave the sign. 47D equals to 94. Therefore, D equals to 94 divided by 47. 47 ones are 47 twos are. That is D equals to 2. D equals to 2. Now we have to put D equals to 2 in any one of the equations. We can substitute in 12. A plus 2 into 2, that is equals to 12. A plus 4 equals to 12. A equals to 12 minus 4. A equals to 8. A equals to 8. See, the question is find the 29th term. We need to find the 29th term. Okay. A 29 equals to A plus 28. See, A plus 28 D. A we got already 8 plus 28 into 2. 8 plus 28 2s are 56. That is equals to 64. That is A 29th term is 64. A 29th term is 64. Okay. Let's see the solution. A 29th term is 64. See question number 9. If the third term and the ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8, which term of an AP is 0? You know that the third term is 4 and the and the ninth term is minus 8. That means in the continuation of that arithmetic terms, there may be chances of appearing 0. Yes, there is a 0 in that series. Which term? In which term? Whether it is in 5th, 6th or 7th or 8th, 9th, 10th like that. Which term of AP is 0 is the question. Okay? Read the questions carefully and try to understand in what way we have to solve. The general way of solving is that using the nth term. Formula nth equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now let us write the given. The third term A3 is 4. That is meaning of this one A plus 2D equals to 4. Then the ninth term, that is A9 equals to minus 8. That is A plus 8D equals to minus 8. Solving first and second, we have A plus 2D equals to 4. A plus 8D equals to minus 8, then minus plus. This is by subtracting. Plus A minus A gets cancelled. That is minus of 6D equals to 12. So B equals to 12 by minus 6. 6 ones are 6 twos are. D equals to minus 2. D equals to minus 2. Then put D equals to minus 2 in 1. Okay? Equation 1. That is A plus 2D equals to 4. A plus 2 into minus 2 equals to 4. A minus 4 equals to 4. A equals to 4 plus 4. A equals to 8. A equals to 8. They have asked us which term of AP is 0. Okay? Let n equals to A n equals to 0. Now an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is 0. Okay, a 8 plus n minus 1 into d. D we got, that is minus 2. 0 equals to 8 minus 2n plus 2, that is 8 plus 2, 10 minus 2n, then minus 2n is transformed, that becomes plus 2n equals to 10. 2n equals to 10, therefore n equals to 10 by 2, 2 ones are 2 5s are, n equals to 5, that is fifth term is 0. Which term is 0? Fifth term is 0. Okay, just observe the solution carefully. Question number 10. Read the question. The 17th term of an AP exceeds, it increases, its 10th term by 7. The 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. It seems a 1 mark question. Let us write the verbal statement, that verbal statement into mathematical statement. See, given. Okay, the 17th term, that is A17, equals to, often exceeds its 10th term. A10 exceeds means plus by 7. By 7. Yes, this is the mathematical statement of this problem. See, this is a verbal problem, that is mathematical statement. See, the term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. That means A17 equals to A plus A10 plus 7. Okay. Now A17 means A plus 16D. A plus 16D. A10 A plus 9D plus 7. I hope you have understood. The 17th term of an AP exceeds 10th term by 7. Exceeds, that is shown by the plus sign. Exceeds, that means plus. So A plus 16D equals to A plus 9D plus 7. Next, let us transform A plus 16D minus A minus 9D equals to 7. Okay, plus A minus A gets cancelled. 16D minus 9D, that is 7D equals to 7. D equals to 7 by 7. 7 ones are 7 ones are. D equals to 1. The common difference, what the statement has given, is 1. D equals to 1. Okay, get the solution. Try to understand the meaning of this mathematical expression. It is 10 plus 7. Why I have written like that? Just to go through the problem and try to understand the what way the mathematical expression have been transferred. See question number 11. Which term of the AP? They have given AP terms 3, 15, 27 and 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term. See, by reading the problem, we understand that the n has been asked, n has asked, because which term of the AP, which term means that is n. So by utilizing whatever they have given, we have to find that term, which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 dash 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 will be 132 more than its 54th term. Okay, let us find first the value of 54th term. Given AP, that is 3, 15, 27, then 39. Okay, A equals to first term, that is 3. D equals to difference of any two consecutive terms. Usually we will take A2 minus A1. That is 15 minus 3, which is equals to 12. Now let us find the 54th. Okay, A 54th equals to A plus how much? A plus 53D. A plus 53D. Use this technique only. Don't use everywhere that formula that becomes very lengthy one. This is the shortened form of simplification of AP. Okay, A 54th equals to A plus 53D. Now A we know 3 plus 53 into D, that means 12. 3 plus 12 3s are 36, carry 3. 12 5s are 60 plus 3, 63. Okay, total 3 that is 639. Which one? A 54. A 54 is 639. Okay, let us find the term. A 54 plus 132. From here we got here this statement. Which term of the AP will be 132 more than the 54th term? 54 will be 132 more than its 54th term. So A 54 plus 132, that means 639 plus 132. Okay. 771. 9 plus 2 11, carry 1. 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 7. 6 plus 1 7. A 54 plus 132 is equal to 639 plus 132. Now let A equals to 771. Therefore A equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. An they have given 777. 1. A, that is 3, plus n we don't know, n minus 1, that is D 12. Okay, 771 equals to 3 plus 12n minus 12. 771 equals to minus 12 minus 3 9 plus 12n. 771 plus 9 equals to 12n. That is 780 equals to 12n. Therefore, n equals to 780 divided by 12. 12 6 are 72. 12 5 are n equals to 65. Therefore, 65th term exceeds 132 more than 54th term. Exceeds 132 more than 54th term. Okay, observe the solution. See, once again I will repeat the solution. Here we have to write for such problem 3 marks question. For such problem, if you have to write it, then as usual A and B should have to calculate. Then a 54th term we need to find, because they asked one term which is 132 more than this 54th term. So we must calculate the A54th. Okay, use that alternate way of calculating the A54, A25, A26 like that. A54 equals to A plus 53D. Substitute the value of D and A, then we get the 54th term as 639. 639 we must have to find, because another statement is there that we need to find, that is A4 plus 132 we have to calculate. That term, whatever we are going to calculate is, that is 132 more than that one. So 54 plus 132 is 639 plus 132. What happens? That total is 771. What is that 771? That is the AN of this expression, this AP. That is AN, let AN equals to 771. Then by using the formula AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D, we substituted the AN as 771. 3 N we need to calculate, that is N minus 1 into 12. 12 N into N, 12 N minus 12, that is plus 3 minus 12, that is minus 9 plus 12 N. When 9 is transformed to this side, that becomes plus 771 plus 9 equals to 12 N. That becomes 780 equals to 12 N. Then here we come. N equals to 65. N equals to 65. 65th term exceeds the 132 more than 54th term. Okay, practice such questions, very important one. Try to solve some more questions if you are having any that arithmetic progression related books. Okay, this much is sufficient for today. Let us continue tomorrow. If any comments are there, please send without fail. Okay, thank you.